Dog. Dog. Horse. Horse. Cat. Cat. Bear. Bear. Elephant. Elephant. Sheep. Sheep. Lion. Lion. Pig. Pig. Monkey. Monkey. Wolf. Wolf. Rabbit. Rabbit. Duck. Duck. Cow. Cow. Deer. Deer. Donkey. Donkey. Cheetah. Cheetah. Hen. Hen. Koala. Koala. Goat. Goat. Frog. Frog.
Hello kids, here I have come again to revise the sounds of animal in the conversation class. So now children, quickly take out your conversation book. We will do the revision of sounds of animals on page 25, chapter 13. Now you can see which animal it is, children? Dog. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. A dog barks. Which bird it is, children? Say it loudly. It's a crow. Yes, it's a crow. What sound does a crow make? A crow caws. A crow caws. Now which animal it is? Yes, it's a cat. What sound does a cat make? A cat mews. A cat mews. Yes. Which animal, children? It's a donkey. It's a donkey. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brayes. A donkey brayes. Yes. Which animal? Yes, it's a lion. What sound does a lion make? A lion roars. A lion roars. Yes. Which animal? It's a cow. It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? A cow mows. A cow mows. Which bird? Which bird it is, children? It's a sparrow. It's a sparrow. What sound does a sparrow make? A sparrow chirps. A sparrow chirps. Which bird, children? See it? Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. What sound does a duck make? A duck quacks. A duck quacks. Which animal it is, children? It's a horse. It's a horse. What sound does a horse make? A horse neighs. A horse neighs. Which animal it is, children? It's a goat. It's a goat. What sound does a goat make? A goat bleats. A goat bleats. Which animal it is, children? It's an elephant. Yes, it's an elephant. What sound does an elephant make? An elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. Which animal it is, children? Say it loudly. It's a frog. It's a frog. What sound does a frog make? A frog croaks. A frog croaks. Which animal it is, children? It's a monkey. It's a monkey. What sound does a monkey make? A monkey chatters. A monkey chatters. So children, learn all these answers in full sentences. So this was for today, children. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.